Hi, welcome to my channel System Web Tech. In this video we will learn the use of data table that is present under what if analysis. Right? This is a feature of what if analysis. So suppose we have price, quantity, and we multiply the both price and quantity. Now what I want that if I do the sale, if I sell the quantity of 235, then what will be the amount revenue? If I sell the 335 quantity, then what will be the revenue? 435, 55, 55, 590, 790, and so on. So these, if I change the quantity, then what will be the outcome, right? So through data table we get to know all the results of these quantity. So what I did, just I take the header quantity formula of B6 in this cell and click enter. Now I will apply data table. I will select this range because these are the quantity, and in these cells I will got the result. I want to see the results, so I will select this range. And to remember column wise and row wise, as I'm working column wise, I select the range column wise, right? This is from top to bottom. I select the range from top to bottom. So I will here data, in what if analysis, go to the data table. Now it's asking row input cell and column input cell. I already told you I select the range from top to bottom, so I will go to column input cell. I will take the column input cell. In column input cell I want to see the quantity, so I will take this cell reference B4 and I will click OK. So it show me the results, right? Let me highlight the results with yellow. So this is the column wise. So let's see one more example of column wise, right? This is column input cell, column input cell, column input cell. Again one more example of column input cell. This time I want to see the prices, different prices. If I keep the different prices of my product from 100 to 500, 1000, 700, then what is the output of my revenue? So let's try. I will select this from top to bottom. Now I will go to the data, what if analysis, data table, again column input cell, because I selected columns from top to bottom and I want to see the result. I change it, I'm doing the changes in price, so I will select the price B3 and click OK. So this is what I got my result. Again let me highlight the by color. So this is the example of column. So let's show you the row wise now. This time we will take row wise example. Let's show you one demo of row wise also. So same, I will select this data in horizontally, go to the data, what if analysis, data table, and this time we are selected the row input cells. So my quantity, I want to see quantity and click. This time I select the row input cell because it quantity I write it down in horizontally, right? And I will click OK. So this is what I got the result. Let it show you, right? So this is we got the results. Let me highlight the for you for convenience, right? Again everywhere is the, I write it down the final answer here, right? Again in price, I changes the prices. I want to see the output same, but this time we are doing row wise. Select the data, go to the data table, under the data, now row input cell. In row input cell I will take price and click OK. So this is what I got, my result. If I will change my price 500, I will earn 50,000 rupees. If I will change my money 10,000, then I will earn this much amount, 1 lakh rupees, and so on. So hope you understand this use of data table. If you change the quantity, what result you will got. If you change the prices, what result you will got. So this is the use of data table, application of data table. Hope you understand it. Must subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.